1, 2, 3, go. Hi Lorraine, happy 18th birthday. I hope na kahit malayo kami sa'yo, with this small clip, na mapasaya ka pa rin namin on your special day. First of all, may I repeat, happy 18th birthday to you. I wish na you'll be more wiser, more smarter, and more safer on your upcoming adventures, on your upcoming gala, upcoming days, and then you'll always be safe from any harm. You'll be more closer to God, and then you're at the point in your life in which whatever you want to be, it's already on your doors. They are knocking on your doors, so all you need to do is open up and grab whatever you want to be. And whatever it may be, of course, your mom is there, your nana is there, the whole family is there to support you. Okay? And then, advice would be, pick your friends, because I think you heard this thought from a book or a poem. Tell me who your friends and I'll tell you who you are. So your personality, whatever consists all of you, is a good part because of your friends. Okay? So always have your feet in the ground. Always put God in the center of your life. Then, of course, with your mom and nanay as your inspiration. Okay? I think at this time, your mom is very, very proud of you. And I think the best way to show her that you love her is to, achieve whatever things you can achieve in your life right now. Okay? Always happy. You know how to reach us if you need us. Me, your Tita BG, and Baby Lucas. We're always here, even though we live so far away. You're always in our prayers. Okay? Basta, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And on your coming days, just, welcome each day as a new day. Parang commercial. Happy birthday and all the best. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Catherine.